So, you have heard that Facebook ads can grow your business fast. But the moment you log into Ads Manager, it feels like stepping into another universe. There are buttons everywhere, charts and columns you have never seen before, and campaigns that seem to multiply by the minute. IT is total chaos for a beginner. But do not panic. Today, you are going to get a simple, step-by-step roadmap to kickstart your Facebook ads journey the right way. No jargon, no fluff, just pure, actionable steps that will help you start strong, avoid rookie mistakes, and get real results, even if you are a total beginner. First things first, Facebook ads is not magic. It is a machine that amplifies clarity. If you do not know your goal, you will waste money faster than you can say, boost post. So, ask yourself, what do I want this ad to do? Do you want more website traffic? Are you looking to generate leads? Do you want to sell a product? Or is your goal to simply build awareness? Your goal decides everything: the campaign type, the audience, the ad creative, and even how Facebook's algorithm optimizes delivery. For example, if your goal is sales, choose a conversions campaign, not traffic. Traffic gives you visitors. Conversions give you customers. That is a big difference. Now that you have your goal, let us talk about who you are targeting. Facebook ads work best when you are precise. Forget about targeting everyone who likes coffee. That is millions of people and not helpful. You want laser focus. Think about location. Where do your ideal customers live? Consider age and gender. Who is most likely to buy? Dive into interests. What do they follow, read, or watch? And look at behaviors. Have they bought something like this before? Here is a pro move. Use custom audiences. Upload your customer list, website visitors, or people who have engaged with your Instagram. Then, go one step further and use lookalike audiences. Facebook's artificial intelligence finds new people just like your best customers. That is how you scale without guessing. You do not need to start with hundreds of dollars a day. Even $5 to $10 a day is enough to gather data and learn. Here is the mindset. Start small, learn fast, and scale smart. Let Facebook's algorithm work for you. It needs about 50 conversions per week to fully optimize. Here is a pro tip. Do not touch your ads too soon. Give them at least 3 days to stabilize before you tweak anything. Every time you change settings, the algorithm resets and has to relearn. Patience pays off in the long run. Here is the truth. Even the best targeting cannot fix a boring ad. You have to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. The winning ad formula is simple. Start with a strong hook, use a clear image or video, write relatable copy, and finish with a single, strong call to action. For example, struggling to grow your business online? Discover the 3-step Facebook strategy that brings clients on autopilot. That is short, emotional, and focused. Remember, video ads usually outperform static images because motion equals attention. If you are not a designer, tools like Canva, Pexels, or Lumen 5 can help you create professional-looking content in minutes. Once your ad is live, it is tempting to stare at likes and comments. But vanity metrics will not pay the bills. What you should track are the numbers that matter. Click-through rate, or CTR, tells you if people are engaging. Conversion rate shows if they are taking action. Cost per click, or CPC, reveals if you are spending efficiently. Return on ad spend, or ROAS, tells you if you are making a profit. Install the Metapixel.it tracks who visits your website, what they click, and how they behave. That data helps you retarget and improve every campaign. No pixel means no power. The top advertisers do not just launch one ad and hope for the best. They test everything. Try 2 to 3 ad images, 2 headlines, and 2 call to actions. Then, check which combination performs best. Let the data guide your decisions, not your ego. With Facebook ads, small tweaks can lead to massive performance jumps. Once you find a winning ad, do not stop. Scale it. You can increase your daily budget by 20 to 30% every few days, duplicate the campaign and target new audiences, or retarget people who watched your video or visited your page. Scaling is how you go from $10 a day to $100 a day profitably, not by guessing, but by amplifying what is proven. And that is your roadmap to Facebook ads success. Simple, practical, and powerful.